It's a project that some say will change the face of transit for many years to come. And today, after being announced in 2019, ground has officially broken for the new Ontario Line Transit project. But some say shovels may have gone into the ground prematurely and more public consultation is needed.
Today, we're getting shovels in the ground on this once-in-a-lifetime project.
It's the official start of a project the province says will be a game changer and provide relief from overcrowding while also creating $11 billion of economic benefit.
It will expand the current subway system in Toronto by a full 50%.
The nearly 16-kilometer transit line will have 15 subway stops beginning near Exhibition Place, traveling east through the downtown and north all the way to the Ontario Science Centre. We're also getting a better idea of the design of each station, from the one on the Ontario Place grounds to Osgoode to the Science Centre station.
Is going to make a huge difference. 28,000 cars will be able to be taken off the road as a result of this line alone. Thousands of people will use this station that will stand right here next to all the attractions of Ontario Place.
Some community groups have rallied together to oppose some aspects of the line, saying that it will have grave environmental and health impacts to residents that live close to where construction is set to begin. They tell me hearing about today's groundbreaking reiterates the need for more studies and public input.
You know, they're proposing to build the Ontario Line above ground in Riverside and Leslieville with enormous impacts on parks and green spaces, excessive noise and vibration from 1,500 trains per day, and massive wall to be constructed that's twice as high as the Berlin Wall.
The proposed above-ground station in Riverside will be built on the existing railway corridor that runs near Jimmy Simpson Park. Community groups believe that rail line should be built underground.
It's mind-boggling to us why this government is pursuing a route that compromises community health and well-being when there's a clear alternative, an underground option that has been studied and extensively consulted with the public.
We really should be looking at how our voices as taxpayers and community members has had zero impact on the building of this Ontario line, a concept that was created on the back of a napkin in Doug Ford's planning room and has made it into this multi-billion-dollar project without any kind of substantial environmental review.
Our government is focused on working with Metrolinx to make sure that we do everything we can to minimize disruption in our communities. We'll be working with local community groups to make sure that we're communicating well, and also looking at how we can support businesses through construction.
Metrolinx says they will be expanding parks that are impacted by construction, including Jimmy Simpson Park. It's also important to note that parts of Queen Street will be closed for about 4 years because of construction. Now, it is estimated that the Ontario line will be completed by 2030. Melissa Nakhavoly, City News.